if we are investing and we are waiting for sometimes, then automatically our wealth will get created. Then slowly I diverted my investment to the mutual funds, because some mutual funds are stable, means consistently it is growing. Then I started diverting some money into the mutual funds. Then afterwards, once some period came, then mutual fund also I converted some amount to the debt fund instead of fully depending on the equity. Then I diverted some amount to the debt. Then recently I converted some amount to the money market fund, because when we are growing more, then our returns, we should not expect returns, should be expectation of the return should be very less. That is why I am from the risk portion to I am slowly transferring my all the funds to the less risk area. So then now, finally now when I came to trading business, then what I thought, and the whatever I'm having the total means my stocks, mutual fund portfolio and money market fund portfolio, everything I pledged. And I took the out of pledging. Normally we used to get 75 to 80% amount. We used to get it from that particular amount, because overall my portfolio, whatever investment portfolio, it is automatically growing. That is a passive income. So I am not touching anything. Just I am watching monthly once or 15 days once only. I am just watching whether it is going anything wrong or not. That I am watching. Otherwise, that amount is growing automatically. So other amount, out of which 75 to 80% amount I am taking as a capital for trading, and some small amount around near about 4 to 5 lakh only I am keeping for the daily adjustment. If anything loss going, the daily loss will be there, day loss will be there. For to managing that, so I am just keeping for some amount for the cash amount. Other than that, all amount, my amounts are pledged amount. With that only I am doing. And out of this all amount also, more than 90% of the capital I am using for only option selling. So that too hedged strategy. So balance 5 to 10% only. Sometimes I used to do the buying, but buying I am not very much favor on buying. But we can, whenever we are getting the time, means opportunity, that time we can able to do the buying also. For that also some strategy I am following. Based on that strategy, if anything comes, so if I will not run behind any trade. If based on my conditions, based on my setup, if any trade comes only, I used to take it. So for the buying purpose, I am telling. For selling purpose, there is no need to have any strategy, means any this thing and all. There is no need to wait and all. So we have a set of strategy, how we can enter, when we can exit, how we can mitigate our risk, that and all. That is a set of rules is there that we will go to discuss. So that is what my personal this thing so far my journey. So now we'll go to the slides one by one. So we will discuss about the strategy also one by one. So I think all are fine. Is it okay? Anyone want to ask anything about my journey? Is it okay? Okay. So anyone want to ask about anything related to the this thing, my journey?
No, I think you can go ahead.
Yeah.
Sir, please let us know your journey.
Pardon?
Please explain your journey, sir.
Already I said, nah, just now I completed. Have you joined now?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, you can just actually, anyway, I am recording is there. Just you can watch the recording. So I just now I completed my this, because I already people are joined now. Then we there is no need to waste our time. I think any doubt is there, I can explain.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Yeah,
Continue.
sir. This is Raghavan here, sir. One question.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah,
when you are doing the pledging and you are doing the option selling, in terms of any negative MTMs, so how the how the pledging works, and what are all the things one should be careful when we are doing the pledging?
That's what when I said na. So normally I used to have the maximum hedging strategy, maximum 2 to 3% only. I used to have the this thing means whenever the market wherever way it goes means overnight something is happening also in my portfolio. 2% maximum 2 to 3%. For example, if it is my portfolio is 1 crore, so maximum 3% means 3 lakhs only wipe out from the my capital. 3 lakhs only wipe out from the capital. If it is whatever may happen in the overnight. So it is going on one side 1,000 points or other side 1,000 points, whatever it is going. For that only we are using the hedging strategy. And that 3 lakhs of what I said now, 90% I'm keeping only the 5 to say 4 to 5 lakhs only. I'm keeping as a cash like that. I informed you. That cash is for this adjustment only. If it is going anything negative, from this cash, the 3 lakhs will go out. Understood?
Okay, so you, other than your deposits, like you'll keep 3 to 5 lakhs in your account, sir. Is that what you?
Real cash,
Okay.
real cash. We'll have to keep it 3 to 5 lakhs. Na, I'm telling 5%. I'm not telling 3 to 5 lakhs. 5% of your trading capital. If it is 1 lakh means you'll have to keep 5,000 rupees.
Okay, 5% of trading capital. Okay,
5%.
right.
It's not you don't think about 3 to 5 lakhs. Just 5% of your trading capital.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Got it.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. This is Hemant here from
Yeah.
Mumbai.
Yeah.
Are you going to cover how to hedge the portfolio also?
But I'm not
No,
getting your
are
point.
you going to cover the how to hedge the portfolio also?
No, here I will not going to cover. That is not a very big thing. So just whatever you can in the Zerodha, if you are having the Zerodha account, you can straight away you can go to the console, and you can select any strike, any stocks what you are having. In that you can pledge immediately. If you are pledging today, tomorrow you will get the money. It will take 24 hours to get this thing margin. So tomorrow, if you are today you are pledging means. So tomorrow you'll get the amount. Means if you have a portfolio of 1 lakh, so today you are pledging, and tomorrow you'll get around 75,000 rupees, 75 to 80,000 rupees based on your.
No, sir. No, sir. My question is, see, I am having a portfolio of say 10 lakhs. Okay.
Okay.
In case of any problem, something goes wrong. So how to safeguard that portfolio?
Goes wrong means in your
So market if it's going down.
Trading or in your portfolio.
Portfolio. Sir.
Portfolio you can sell it immediately. You can sell it. Even pledging also. Today you are pledging, same day you can sell also. If you are, for example, so you have one particular portfolio.
Maybe he is asking about the adjustments.
No, he's not asking about adjustment. Adjustment
No. See, as you said, no, sir. You said that suppose you have got a portfolio of 1 crore and here's the hedging done, and in case of market goes down, only 3% loss you get. I mean, that will be there. 3 lakhs or something like that.
Correct.
So for that, is there any calculation? That's what I wanted to know. How to safeguard the portfolio in terms of hedging?
One thing I'm telling you, whenever we are creating the portfolio, that portfolio, we are just blindly, we are not creating the portfolio. We are maximum in the stocks, whatever stocks we are selecting, in that index stocks or good stocks only we are selecting based on the recommendation. One thing. Second thing is the maximum amount we are putting in the mutual funds, and some 25% amount we are putting in the money market fund. The money market fund is such a fund. It is like as good as a fixed deposit. It will not go to any damn thing. Whatever it is goes, negative it will not go. So 25% of my capital money market fund, it is a safe fund. Then another 25 to 30% fund in the mutual fund. Mutual fund also, if it is going something wrong, there is no need to book immediately. So over the period, because over the period means another 6 months, it will come back. So the mutual fund, such a mutual fund, it is you can in the past history you can see the mutual fund. Past history, whenever like 2008. There was a big the fall was there. 2001, you see, 2001 onwards, I know this thing. I was in the market from the 2001. 2001, there was a twin tower collapse. In that time, what was the mutual fund portfolio and this all your rate means mutual fund, whatever mutual fund, what was the rate and today what it is? Same year 2008 there was a fall. That time also recovered. Then again it came to the again it was some another this thing was there around 2011 something like that. It was a small this thing was there. Again it was there. Our COVID was really recently COVID. I am telling you during COVID my portfolio, my mutual fund portfolio, I am telling you went 50% down. But I did not touch it.
Okay.
I did not touch it. I know that because I was faced already. I faced 2-3 such issues. 2001, 2008, everything. So every time the market every time will go in high only, but we have to wait and see. With mutual fund, there is no need to panic and get out the money immediately. There is no need to sell the money. So mutual fund always will give the return over the period. So we'll have to wait and see. And one more thing I am telling you. Whenever we are putting this all those funds for your regular requirement, for regular requirement means day-to-day expenses. If your monthly your day-to-day expenses is 50,000 rupees, yearly you require 6 lakhs means you should keep 6 to 10 lakhs in your account, in your main account, and that you should not touch. That is for you safeguarding your 1 year your survival. Then only you can peacefully you can keep this all those funds. So otherwise, what you will think immediately whenever you require money, that time you will try to exit from the mutual fund. Then that will give your that will going to give major loss. So if you are waiting and seeing some time, it will automatically recover. Even COVID recovery, not COVID recovery within 6 months, it has got recovered. So that is not the issue. That is one thing that we have to wait and see because we cannot take risk of all our capital. We have to keep some capital for our regular expenses. That capital we should not touch. We should not touch with that capital. And whenever you are doing the investment, that investment amount is separate and this your capital is separate. That you should not touch with. You should not disturb your regular capital for the running.
Okay.
That is what.
Okay.
So anything, yes, first now we can go. Actually, time is very short now. I like to cover.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. We will discuss in future also. We will discuss this session. First session I held for the online. Otherwise, in the YouTube, I am giving the video since last 1 month. Just started the YouTube and I am giving the videos in the YouTube itself. So those who require any clarification, those who want any special videos regarding that particular topic, then you can give the comment. Then accordingly, I will also, whenever time gets, then I will make the particular video for interest of you, all of you. Okay. So now we will go to the topic. What we have scheduled to play, that topic we will go. Okay. Yeah, it is. Are you seeing? This is a general risk disclaimer, boss. You just go through because I am not a SEBI registered analyst and I am not giving any calls or tips or anything. I am not providing anything to anyone. This is only for educational purpose. I am just helping you people only. So, and I am also just by the main intention of this session and all, when I am teaching someone else, I am also learning something from you people as well as whenever I'm just my knowledge also getting improved for by teaching all of you. That is why I am doing this one. So don't copy anything from my trade or anything, and you can just follow the strategy, and you follow the strategy based on your risk appetite. So don't take over position. Based on your capacity, based on your risk, based on your capital, you take the positions and what is to be, how much to be taken based on the capital. That also I will inform you. So based on that only you have to take it. And initially you want to try with the paper trading or watch the things. You do it all those things. Then whenever you are getting comfortable, that time you take the trade. These are all the disclaimer I am telling you. Okay. This is not disclaimer, just you can read it. This is also useful. Actually, this disclaimer, especially I made, it's not a general disclaimer. I made especially for the risk management. Just whenever time permits, you just read the risk disclaimer. So now, but actually everyone should answer. Everyone should answer here. What is your expectation? These were two questions. One first question is definitely you should answer. What is your expectation from the today's session? Just small one word answer you can say, and how much you are expecting from this returns you are expecting from this strategy. Just you one or two can explain. And no one is saying anything. Are you hearing, all of you?
Yes, we are hearing you. I think expectation from most of us would be how to do option selling safely. That is the hedged option selling strategy. Most of us are looking for that, I think.
Okay. Thank you, boss. Thank you.
And option selling monthly, at least to my limited knowledge, appears to be more risky. So I would prefer weekly selling since the duration is less.
Okay.
I'm more interested in learning about weekly option selling, hedged again.
Right. Thank you, boss.
Yes, sir. Learning only. You
Yeah.
get to know how this process and all. And secondly, maybe 4 to 5%
Correct, boss. It's okay.
per month.
5%, 4 to 5% per month or per day.
Per month.
Very good. You are you are most welcome for this course. You are eligible for this course.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for this. Actually, that is what I expect. And moreover, here I am assuming that everyone should knew about what is option, what is call option, what is put option, and these basics and all. Everyone already knew about that. That is what my assumption. Based on that, I'm going. Okay. That's what I'm why option selling actually. So you might have seen lot of courses. I also in the starting the initial period, I also went many courses with many big institutions, and in this group also in this session also my co-learners already joined. Co-learners from the major the means you can say as a very big stock players, they taught us. So and we also spent a lot of money for taking course from them. So that and all one of our this thing means we have spent as well as we have learned also something. So and here I'm one thing I'm telling you. So from my previous experience, for learning option, there is no need to spend much money. Lot of money it's not required. The maximum you can spend 5 to 10,000 rupees. You can spend that much is enough if you want to sell. That also if you want to spend, there is no if at all if you want to learn from something, and that also you can learn. You can go with Jiroda. There is a Jiroda Versity is there. The Jiroda Versity, that book and the Jiroda Versity they gave all the what is option contract starting from end. They gave clearly in this thing. Only thing patiently we'll have to study, we'll have to learn. As a college student, we'll have to study and learn. Lot of things we can able to get it from them, that itself. So this is my suggestion. Don't spend a lot of money for learning. Learning always you will get it from many places, books and many places. And moreover, if whatever I am just started the initiative in the YouTube channel, totally I will going to give free of cost only whatever learnings I made. That I will going to give you free of cost only, and slowly I will going to upload all those every strategy. I will going to upload all those things, and you can easily just one by one you people can go through and you can learn from them or that also. So the option selling, why it is option selling means so option buying we can quick money, we can make it. There is not a issue. Those who are able to make it with a proper strategy, they can also make it. But overall, if you see every concept, if you see in the all the angle, option buying, only success rate is only 33%. So option selling, the success rate is the more success rate is in the option selling only. That is why I started from the journey, from the starting itself. When I started with only option selling only, I started. I never started with the buying. I started with the selling only. But now I am doing some small buying also. I am doing. Same way, the hedging. So hedging is such a thing. If you are not doing the hedging, whenever we are taking the position with the hope, the next day you may have to sell your total property and hand over to stock exchange. If it goes wrong, if you are not hedging and if you are keeping open selling position, not buying position, okay, buying position somewhat will be in the saver position. The whatever buy rate it is there, that much only you have to be pay if it goes wrong. But in the selling, it's not like that. That can go in any high. That is why option selling people are fearing actually for touching the option selling. The people are fearing because it's the loss is unlimited, profit is limited. Whereas in the option buying, profit is unlimited and loss is limited. Like that, people are saying. But it is not. It's okay. But the probability of success is in the selling only. That is why I chosen this thing. But for mitigating the risk, I am just using a hedging part. I am using that. And money management and risk management, always it is there. Money management, whatever money we are having, within that only we'll have to play. Within that only we'll have to take the positions. Within 70 to 80% only we'll have to take the positions. And we should not take much. But nowadays, leverage, no one is giving. Earlier days means 2-3 years before. If you are having 1 lakh, you can take the position of 10 lakh position, you can take it. That much leverage was there earlier. That leverage also, I am very against that, because with leverage, we should not take it, because anything goes wrong, you are all 1 lakh capital, we are taking 10 lakh position and your capital is 1 lakh, then end of the day, that 1 lakh will wipe out because of the over position. So that also I am not favor on that model also. I am totally against with leverage, totally against with this money also, means which borrowed capital also. If you are having own money, then only you have to do the job. If you are not having money, don't take any loan or come into the business. Loan, many people might have encourage you, take the loan with 10 to 12% interest like that. And you may think that by 10 to 12% taking the money, we can earn here 50 to 40 to 50%, we can able to earn like that, you can think. That is also wrong concept. Don't do any selling or buying with your borrowed capital. Only you will have to do it with whatever capital you are having, your own money. Even you don't borrow from your relatives also. So if you are having own money, you do the job. If you are not having own money, don't do the job. Don't do such type of things. That is what my suggestion. And risk management, anyway, we are doing the hedging, we are doing, and stop loss, and wherever it is required, we are putting the stop loss, everything we are doing. So that is what the risk management, with this, all those principles only we are working. And if you are working all those things, many times there will be a stop loss, it will be there. That is beneficial for us. When it is hitting the stop loss, we are stopping our loss. We are not like that. We are losing our money. We are stopping. Stop loss means we are stopping our loss. That should not go beyond our limit. That we should have our own limit. Without limit, we should not go anywhere. That is what my suggestion. So now we can go to the next this thing. This is the monthly strategy, boss. Monthly strangle, Nifty. Just you can note down. We will afterwards, we'll see in the this thing, and this also chart also we'll see with how we can, what is the probability, what is the profit probability, loss probability, or everything you can see in the this also. So this is the strategy you can note down. So step 1, actually this strategy will have to enter 15th of every month. Means today is I think 28th. Actually, today is the 28th. So normally we supposed to enter 15th of April itself. This strategy we supposed to enter, but that actually already got more than 15 days, and the decay also made more than 15 days. That is why now. So now, if you are entering during May month contract, it is not advisable, because already May month contract more than 60-70% decay has already happened. So if now, or now means Monday anyone want to enter, let them select in the June month contract, not May month contract. June month contract, you will have to see, means today the if you see in the Nifty, this strategy is only for Nifty, not Bank Nifty. This is only for Nifty. You can note down. And in the Nifty today, current this thing is 22,000. I think 20,400 means it's current. This one is 20,400. That means you will have to go 23,400 and 21,400 call and put. You will have to sell, means 1,000 point away. Whatever means Monday morning, if you are entering a Monday morning, you just see the spot price. Based on the spot price, 1,000 points above and 1,000 points below. So call and put, you will have to sell. One lot, you have to, means one lot as a, you have to, as a sample you can sell. And hedge, the same strike, means if you are selling 24,400 and 21,400, then same strike current week means if now whatever the week it is going on around, that is a April 22 is the expiry. Next expiry is, I think sorry, April 30th is the next expiry. So 30th or 2nd, sorry, March 2nd. Nifty is Thursday expiry. Thursday is the 2nd May. 2nd May is the expiry. So current week expiry, you can same strike price, you can take it. There's 1,000 point away, the same strike price you can take it. And same, that is one type of thing, that is for the hedging. If that is for the aggressive trader. If it is a very conservative trader, you don't want to lose much money, then you can hedge less than 500 point. So that example also we will see in the this thing. We will see in the the chart. We will see in the example also. So this is aim to collect the monthly decay. And now once you are taking the positions, 1,000 point away, 1,000 point below, you are taking the positions, and the position is running. So this the position is, there is no need to this strategy. There is no need to continuously watch the screen. You can just take the things and you can leave it. And when it is decay is happening, 25 point, 20 to 25 point, whenever one side may happen, either call side will happen or put side will happen. So whenever it is decay is happening, that call side strike, you just book it, profit you book it, and equivalent to the put side, whatever the current means premium is there, based on that equally you take the call side one more, you enter the one more strike. So like that, you adjust here and there, you will adjust every day, maybe 1 or 2 times you will have to book the profit. Then afterwards, you adjust, keep on adjust, and then when you will have to stop the adjusting means when it is crossed more than 500 points. For example, so when you are taking the 24,400 call, 21,200 400 put you are taking. So this one side rally, it is going beyond 500 point. Beyond 500 point, then further there is no need to do the adjustment. You will have to cut that itself, and you will have to come out with all the strikes. Then from there, you will have, from the spot price, you will have to create one more same setup, selling and buying. That is what we will have to do it. This is the strategy, is a monthly strategy. So this monthly strategy, actually, the less, number one, less risk. Number two, there is no need to keep the continuously watch the screen. And whenever you are getting the profit, that you will have to book it and adjust immediately. You will have to adjust it. And there is a, for adjustment, there is a lot of time is there, because if you are taking 15th of every month and you are having the time of around 45 days. Next, up to next contract closing is another 30 or 20th, that only going to close it. So you are having a lot of huge time for the adjustment. So that is one thing. And third benefit you are getting, whenever you are taking the position, that much money it is coming to your account the next day, because wherever you are selling means you are collecting the premium. So for example, one lot is 200 rupees. One lot is means Nifty is particular strike is 400 rupees. So 200 plus 200, 400 rupees means for one lot, that 400 rupees you are collecting from the market once you are selling. That amount will come straight away next day morning in your account. So based on the further, whenever you are doing the adjustment, based on that margin also will get adjusted. Okay. So this is the thing. Next day, the fund required for this strategy is per lot 30 to 35K. Actually, this now why it is very less means earlier it was 65K it was there. From yesterday onwards, that Nifty has been lot size has been reduced to 50 to 25. So now 25 only that lot size. That is why I am saying that minimum 2 lot you will have to execute. Otherwise, very small amount will be there. So minimum 2 lot means you will have to minimum 60 to 70,000 rupees you should keep in your account. Means around 1 lakh you should keep it in your account. So at least 2 lakh you are supposed to execute so that you will get the benefit. The expected monthly profit 4 to 10%. Minimum 4% minimum you can get it, or maximum 10. Sometimes beyond all that 10% also it will be there, but there is no need to go much beyond. So around 1,500 to 3,500 range, whenever it is coming around 2,000, 2,500 rupees, it is range, it is coming. Then you can that time you can book it, because by investing 35,000 rupees, if you are getting 2,000 rupees, you can easily usually you can come out whenever you are getting. Even per month you are getting 2,000 rupees also. It is a very good return this one. So we'll have to wait and see. That's the same way. Expected loss also 2 to 2.5K per lot. That also we'll have to wait and we'll have to see. So now because that's what I already informed you. Now we need to enter June month contract, because already DK already happened. That's what I already explained to you. That is one thing. So this is a strategy. Now what we will do it, we will go to this also. One more, I'll show that this also.
Sir, one question.
Tell me.
Yeah, you mentioned it is strangle, right?
It is strangle. It is strangle.
But some other places it mentioned iron condor also. So what is that?
No, why I put it iron contour? Because we are doing the hedging enough. People actually that is a name we used to call it, because when we are doing strangle both sides, we are doing the selling. Only selling means only selling we are doing, that is strangle means away
Yeah.
ATM. Away ATM whenever we are doing that we call it as a strangle. When we are doing the hedging, so that strangle become iron contour. That is a
Okay.
technical term.
Okay. That is like we are buying premium insurance, right?
Yeah. That's what.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Just I will see one more thing. Can you able to see this screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a Zerodha site. Yeah.
Yes.
No, sir, we can't see that.
We are able
No, sir, not visible. Your PPT is visible.
Huh?
Your PPT is able to see.
PPT is
Not
huh?
you are not Zerodha.
Okay.
PPT only showing.
Okay, I'll share that. I'll share that. Now you can able to see.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, now sir. It's there. Now it's there.
Yes.
Okay, now the Zerodha chart, Zerodha site you can able to see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can see here.
Yes.
Okay. So now the first condition what I said now. So I selected here 23,400 and 21,400. So and the same way I put it 2nd May 23,400 and 21,400. This is the thing. Now you can see here. This is the final margin is required is around 31,000. Around 31,000 is required. Final margin is required. This is okay. So now I'm just putting into the this thing. This is a payoff chart. If you see payoff chart, so payoff chart it is showing like this. The maximum profit it is showing 15,000 rupees and maximum loss it is showing 6,000 rupees loss. So it is maximum profit 15,000 is wrong actually. Wrong means this by considering the selling, by considering the buying it is showing, because when it is going very drastically it is going the higher side or lower side, that time only that the maximum profit will come. That is not our this thing. This profit showing is based on the our buy leg. Now I am just removing the buy leg. Actual profit, if you see, means this is the actual profit without hedging. If you are taking it, this is the actual profit. This is actually 9,899 is the actual profit. We will going to get it if it is going properly based on within this range. Within this range, 23,400 or 21,400. Within this range, within continuously, if it is there for the 1 month, then this much amount we will going to get it for the this 9,000 rupees. Whereas for taking this 9,000 rupees, we'll have to invest more than 1.2 lakhs without hedging, and moreover, the loss will be the unlimited. Whenever it is going beyond our limit, if it is going something overnight, if something is happening in the Israel or something, Palestine or Israel or something somewhere else, something is happening. So then market is dropping around 1,000 point means we will be in the soup. So that is the unlimited risk is there. That is why what we are doing, this both hedging, weekly hedging we are doing. So in that such scenario, if it is going somewhere very drastically, that time we will be in profit. If it is going marginally, if it is going, that time we will be in a loss of only 6,000 rupees for the entire lot. This 6,000 rupees also, I want to control to 2,000 rupees. I don't want to waste my 6,000 rupees. But I am ready to do the insurance, further insurance I can able to do it. I am ready to do it with the further insurance. With that, I want to reduce this 6,800 rupees to around 2,000 rupees. That how I will going to do it. That also get next you can see here. Next, one more thing I just earlier I put the edge for the same thing. Now I have put the edge 500 points below. You can see here 500 points below. Here I am for edge. I am using here 13 rupees one side I am spending, other side I am spending 10 rupees. And here my margin also around another 2,000 rupees is getting reduced. 28,000 rupees only I am margin I am putting in. So this way 500 point I am coming very closer. So in that case, what it is happening, you see here. In that case, the worst scenario, I will going to make the loss of only 2,000 rupees. The best scenario means best scenario, that is not a best scenario. The best scenario is this. This is the best scenario. 9,800 is the best scenario. If it is within this range, this much we can able to get it. If it is not, if you are getting this much 2,000 rupees, we can, the worst case we can book the loss. Or if it is worst case, if it is going sometimes, the profit also 27,000 is possible. That is maybe 7 years once you can get such type of profit, like 2008 or 2013 or COVID time 2020. Such type of time, such days. For example, such days, if you are keeping such positions, that time you would have gained that 27,000 rupees profit. Whereas total whole world would have lost. But the person, those who have done the hedging, he will be enjoying. That is what the strategy I want to just communicate to you, all of you. So here, what I am doing, here I am hedging, and my risk is 2,000 rupees within 1 week. This hedge, I took the weekly hedge. You can ask, sir, weekly hedge means it's 1 week only. You are taking monthly contract. Then how it will going to protect it? So that's what I'm saying. Every week you'll have to change. Total for month 4 week is there. The 4 week, every week I'm giving the insurance of 2,000 rupees. So 4 week I'm losing 8,000 rupees. So with that, I will do some adjustment also. I will gain also from here. Where whenever I'm doing the booking and profit booking, that adjustment also I will take it from the profit also. And this insurance also I used to spend 8,000 rupees. In turn, I'll get the profit also. So overall, my expectation is around 2% to 4% only my expectation. This is the thing, Giroda, just I want to show you. So here, this is the first strategy. In this strategy, any doubt is there, you just now ask now. Then afterwards, we'll go to the next weekly strategy. We'll go to the next slide. This is the any doubt or
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
tell me.
Sir, if Nifty moves above our range or below our range, then how we should evolve the strategy?
Above range means you now you just talk in terms of points. Means now it is we have taken the 23,400 CE, 21,400 PE. Now current market is 22,400. From 1,000 points up and down we have taken. What is your expectation? Tomorrow, if it is goes straight away 1,000 points away, what will going to happen? That's what you are asking.
Yes, sir.
That's what I said. Now the 2,000 rupees you will go to lose. You will go to lose 2,000 rupees. And even if it is going 1,000 points away, you will not going to lose it. You will going to in turn you will want gain. I am telling you. Because Hedged will going to give the benefit. For example, 1,000 rupees, 1,000 points. I'm going 1,000 points away. I am going here. 24,000. If you see, 24,000. I'm going 23,400. 20. If tomorrow 23,000 goes, you will gain 5,500 rupees. You will gain tomorrow. If it is going other this side, 20,400. If it is going, if it is going 20,400, you will going to gain 20,000 rupees. This is the worst scenario. Worst scenario, you will going to gain. Very worst scenario. Tomorrow somebody will going to attack somewhere else. US is going to give some bad news, or our RBI will going to give some bad news, or our Narendra Modi will going to give some bad news. That such type of scenarios you will going to gain. And if it is normal scenario, if you see general normal scenario, so if it is going here means around not moving much, just moving here. So around you see 900 point from 21 200 to 21 900. That time also one day if you are going, that is showing a plus only, positive only it is showing a. So even if it is the same scenario, if it is closing when the month end, if it is closing the same place, that time you will be losing 2,000 rupees. Correct, na? So losing 2,000 rupees is not a big thing, na? When we are hedging and happily we can sleep, na?
Correct.
Manikam,
Yeah.
actually, as you have said, for hedging against the monthly contract, we are hedging weekly contract, right? Can you hear me?
Yeah, excellent. Tell me.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. You can.
Okay, for monthly contract, as a hedging strategy, we are hedging weekly contract. Okay.
Correct.
As per the example what you have given, so the weekly contract expiry on 2nd. Okay.
Correct.
That scenario, the same second itself, we have to edit the order or we have to cancel and make a fresh order.
No. Second, what we have to do? Second morning, there is no need to do in the morning. There is no need to do nothing. Second, what will happen? This 13 rupees the hedge, 13 rupees and 10 rupees hedge, that will go to become like 50 paise or 40 paise. It will going to become like that.
Correct.
Okay. So that day in the afternoon around 2:30, you will have to buy one more hedge means next week hedge around 10 to 12 rupees. Next week hedge you will have to buy it, and this contract you will have to close it. This only buy contract. Sell contract will be as it is.
So then automatically it will be connected to the sell contract, right?
Yes.
Okay, that only I want to check.
If you see, even here, if it is coming down to here in the 20, I am telling you, 2nd May, date also will change. 2nd May, what will happen? 2nd May, if it is going in the scenario, worst scenario, that also you are gaining 300 rupees. That time also you are gaining 300 rupees.
So in that the takeaway is either if the market is sideways, so we can wait.
If it is going down, if it is going down, that time you are losing. 2nd May, I changed the date of 2nd May. 2nd May, if you are changing to the means if it is going upward, not downward, if it is going upward, so around 1,800 rupees you are losing.
Okay.
But by the time you would have adjusted in the selling also, what I said now. Whenever selling side, if you are getting the 20-25 point, you book it and make it to delta neutral.
Understood. Okay.
Yeah. This is actually the best strategy. You will peacefully sleep in the night by putting your money in the market.
Also within the period, also we have opportunity. We can come out with some minimum profit also.
Definitely.
Understood.
Sir,
Any other doubt?
sir, Ganesh, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, suppose that the market on May 2nd, the market has gone to 500 points. Suppose example, it has gone to 22,400 now. So suppose at 20 on 2nd May, if it is at 22,900, so on the day the expiry is also there. So it is the buying options. What we have bought, it will be going to be 0 or something, right? Okay. And on the day while taking the adjustment, so what strike prices we need to take, or we need to check what we have to check according to that.
I am telling you. For example, you said 22,900 is going. Already I changed my this thing as you are seeing the cursor now. My cursor you are seeing now.
Yes.
I changed it to 22,900. 22,900 means my C side is 22,900 C hedge and P side 21,900. And the P side 21,900 will become 0.
Okay.
But whereas 22,900 C definitely will not become 0. It will be some value will be there.
Yes.
Some value will be there. So, because that is at the money. At the money, during 3:30 only it will going to become 0. So if it is the middle means 9:30 or 10 o'clock, it will not be 0. It may be 3 rupees, 4 rupees in the range it will be there. Okay. So that is one thing that you can book it. This whatever it is available, you can book it here. So the same here, the 22,900. Here already this 22,900 means this side P side, not 21,400 you have taken. That is 160 rupees you have taken. That become means near about 500 point moved. 500 point moved means so accordingly this strike means 160 become near about 70 or 80. 160 become 70 or 80. Same way that 2,400 235 become around 280 or 290 300 range, and the range it will be there. It will be plus only. So here it will be minus only. Around 40, 50 point, more than 70 point, it will be minus only. Whatever minus, you book it. 21,400 also, you book the profit. You take the profit. And here, this will be around 2,000, instead of 235, it will become, for example, 300. Use an example. So that time, you take it, means 21,900, you take it, 21,900 P, you take it. That P will be near about that range. It means around 270 or 260. That range it will be there, 21,900 P. And that P you take it monthly P. Monthly means June month P you take it here. And same way here you adjust it. So 21 now you have changed it to 21,900, and here you change it to 20, same you are not changed it. So now accordingly you change this one also 500 point below. Change it. That also around 10 rupees, 12 rupees you get it here. So that week you manage it. And further, above 500 point if it is going, if it is 500 point, less than 500 points, okay. If it is going above for the 500 point, then there is no need to do the adjustment. Whatever, if it is profit or loss, whatever it is, then you will have to come out from the particular particular total set. Then you will have to initiate the fresh. Same, what is the ATM? Based on that, you will have to initiate the fresh one. You should not keep the old one after 500 point, beyond 500 point. Within 500 point, you can keep it. Afterwards, then slowly it will become an ATM, then it will become ITM, it will going to become ITM then further. So that type of situation we should not create.
Okay. Sir, why? Because I'm asking the Nifty from the last 30 days, it has given 1,000 points move.
Yeah, it will be there. I used to manage all those things. I'm in the position. I'm in the position.
So if Nifty moves 500 points up, we need to adjust the position of PE position. That is monthly option PE position. We have to adjust.
Yeah. Only PE. If it is now based on your movement PE, if it is going reverse direction, we'll have to adjust the CE also.
Yeah. If it is going down, we need to adjust the CE.
CE also. So we'll have to book the profit and we'll have to adjust the CE also. Like that, if you are doing it, and I'm telling you, maybe per day one adjustment you may be doing, or sometimes you may not do adjustment also. 2-3 days you may not do the adjustment also when it is in the sideway direction. You may not do adjustment also. And weekly, definitely you will book 2-3 times. You will book the profit, and weekly 2-3 times you will adjust the leg also. So it will come like that only. And this strategy, whenever you are taking the strategy, you will have to create one Excel sheet. Whenever you are taking the position, immediately you put it every week. That is very important. I'm telling you, trade recording is very important. You create the Excel sheet and immediately record it. What is the trade you have taken and what is the rate you have taken. When you are doing the adjustment, immediately how much you have adjusted, how much profit you have booked, and what strike you have adjusted. Like that, you have to maintain for the one set of total trade, total for doing up to that 500 point movement, up to 500, beyond 500 point when it is going by up to that time, you will have to keep that record. And once it is you are removing all those set, and that total record, you can see how much profit or how much loss you have earned or gained or you have lost. That you can take that record. With that record only speaks in the future. And based on the record only, you will also maintain the discipline. Otherwise, you will not maintain the discipline. Just like that, you will adjust here and there, and you will be end up in the problem. So you should record it in the Excel sheet. Accordingly, you should adjust it.
So we have to check any Greeks before taking the trade.
Because Greeks it is there, Greeks actually Greeks.
No. File adjustments, sir. I'm asking about
adjustment. I'm telling you. Sometimes there is a what you are asking is I can able to understand it. Sometimes there is a high spikes will be there. Means just 1 or 2 candle spikes will be there, and that time delta move, gamma move, it will be there. So and that move within no time, maybe half an hour it may sustain, or that day end of the day it will going to come down. But we are keeping monthly strategy. We are very long way. We'll have to go for that. We'll have to consider, because the delta gamma the move that is sudden spike. That I don't think here we should not consider, because we are not doing it daily. Means intraday. This is monthly only. So if it is intraday, what you are doing is perfectly. We'll have to consider all those things. See, this is not intraday. That is why I don't think it's not good. I'm not considering all those things. So,
okay, sir.
Sir, one question I have got.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, this strategy which you are employing, I just put it on Opstra. Yeah, you please say the probability of profit, what it is showing. It is showing only 11% for me. What is the probability of profit for this strategy?
11% is showing.
Yeah.
What my this thing is, I am not even asking you to take 11%. I am asking you to take only 4% only. I am asking you to take it. 11% it may show some profit will get eroded for our hedge. Means insurance is there. So weekly insurance is there. That weekly insurance will eat away our some profit. So finally, if you are getting 4 to 5%, it is enough. But the worst case, sometimes you may get even 8% also. You will get it.
What is your experience? How much profit you are making per month?
In an average, I am making around 5%. on an average. But sometimes I'm getting 8-9% also. Sometimes I'm getting 1% also. And 1 or 2 months I even lost also. But average last 2 years, my experience every month I'm getting 4 to 5%.
Okay, okay. And then this strategy, you will close at which date? Till the expiry you will hold, or you will
No. You'll have to close it 15th. 15th of next means now you have taken June month. June month means June 15th means June end. You cannot go up to June end. You can keep up to June 15th. If it is going based on our sideways range. If it is
mean May
going
15th,
beyond
not-
500 point, then immediately we'll have to come out also.
No, you mean May 15th or June 15th?
Pardon?
This is May contract. No?
Then now we have taken June contract, not May contract, because May contract another only 15 days is available. So already DK, I checked the premium also.
June means you are taking 2 months ahead. Contract. Is 2 months. You took it when, sir? You took it now in April, no?
Yesterday I took it.
Yesterday, April. So
yesterday I took
May,
it.
June. This means 2 months contract you are taking.
Why I have taken? That's what I did. Actually, what supposed to?
We are in April, no?
Now it is April.
So you said 1 month contract, but you have taken 2 months.
Correct. What you are asking is 100% correct. So what I am saying, so I am supposed to take May 15th contract only, but the May 15th contract means I supposed to take on April 15th. So now April 15th already I took the May month contract. I booked enough DK already. Enough DK has happened. I booked in the May month contract. Now May month contract, if you are seeing 1,000 point away, the premium is giving hardly 60 to 50 to 60 point only premium is giving. For the 50 to 60 points, if I am keeping the hedging also 5 point, if you are keeping hedge, then there is no much expectation will not be there in the further course.
So basically you are taking more than 2 months contract, correct?
Now we have taken a June month contract. Actually saying we'll have to take it 1 month itself is enough. So those who require 2 months also, it's good. Actually, sometimes liquidity will be there. Now liquidity is available for the June month contract.
In that case, you will have to hedge till June every week.
No. Okay. If it is in my sideway, if it is going sideway, so I'll have to adjust it till June. June 15th. That means another 6 weeks. Means
not June 15th. See, you are hedged. Whatever you bought, those are May contracts. Every week in May, you have to buy new hedge.
Correct. I agree with that. For that only, I'm telling you, for hedge also, now I have hedged around 23 rupees. I have hedged. Next week, if I'm going, it will not be 23 rupees. It will be 17 rupees. And next week I'm going, it will be 15 rupees. Like that average, if I'm seeing 15 rupees, I'll have to give for the hedging. In the given 6 weeks, if I'm giving hedging also 15 rupees, 6 weeks means kitna ho gaya? Around 90 rupees. If I'm giving 90 rupees as a hedging also, if it is going in sideway, then I will going to gain 400 point, around 400 point. I'm losing only 90 point. 310 point I will going to gain if it is going sideways. But whereas market will not go 45 days sideways. It will go up also, down also. Whenever going up and down, that time I will book and I will adjust. I will collect the premium. Whenever I am collecting the premium, that will safer my hedge.
But you will hold till June 15th, whatever happens.
It is not unnecessarily, means not necessary up to keeping June. Why I am saying, if that premium is going lesser, means if it is getting decayed, means 235 become 100 or 80, and this 160 become around 60, 70, then I can just close this June month. I can go for July month also next means June month. Starting itself.
What is that level at which you are satisfied to close this strategy?
That's what was. I required minimum 4 to 5%. I required. If I'm getting that 4 to 2%, I secure that particular contract. If it is going beyond that, also it's okay, it's good. But around 5%, if you are getting, locking the profit is better than keeping seeing in the screen.
Okay, so if you get 5% on your margin, you are going to close it, correct?
Of course, we can go. We can
and you will open a fresh strategy.
Correct.
But you will open on the 15th of every month, no? You can't open in between, no?
It is we can't open in between means it's the
No,
way
I'm asking.
how I
See,
let
you
it
said,
I just I'm
according to
not
your
understanding.
slide, every 15th of the month, you will open a new strategy.
Correct.
Till the
Actually,
next 15th of the month, you will keep it. Then you will close. This is what is the understanding. But you are telling now, if I get 5% on my margin, I'll close it whenever I get it. Suppose you got it after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you'll close it. But you will open fresh strategies immediately, or you will wait till 15th of next month.
No. We can open the next strategy. Why the main thing what I want to convey is, for example, first week if it is coming. So now it is a closing to the first week. That is why I took the June month contract. For example, if it is going now it is giving the 5% profit when it is going in the month end or 15th, even 15th. This month 15th itself means May month 15th itself giving 5% profit. Then that time whatever ATM, that time ATM June month contract, then again I can initiate.
Okay.
Correct. Now, what I'm saying is, if it is a month and or first week, if it is closing, then don't go with the current month contract. You go with the next, instead of going 15th, you go with the next month contract. That is what I want to convey.
So another question, your probability of profit is showing 61%. And when I put in Opstra, the same thing. I have taken today's premium.
That's what I'm
And
saying.
1,000 points away I booked. It is showing me only 11% probability of profit.
You are saying is very correct. Here the 61% why it is showing. It is considering the buy side leg also. When it is going the very drastical move when it is going, that time that buy side leg, whatever it is giving the profit, that it is showing. That is not a correct profit. If you see here,
Okay.
this is the correct way. This is the correct profit. If you are removing that one, the 9,000 rupees is the correct profit.
Okay. Thank you.
So let us move to next strategy.
Yeah.
Now already time is already 5:20. Let us go to the next strategy. Can you able to see this one PPT?
PPT, yeah.
Okay. This is the next strategy. This is a weekly strategy with hedging. This is all iron fly. So that type we will discuss here. This is for the Bank Nifty. So we'll have to sell one ATM, means ATM call and put we'll have to sell. Step one, we'll have to hedge either 500 point away or 1,000 point away based on your risk appetite. So if you are a very risky trader, you can go 1,000 points hedge also. If you don't want to lose much money, then you can go with the 500 point away hedge also based on your risk appetite. So what you can do it, because even this hedge, one more thing also we can check, means one small example for current scenario. One example I am giving you. So June 4th is our election result day. So whoever is taking this strategy during June first week, they should 100% they should hedge 500 point only. They should not go with 1,000 point, because after election result, you can see in the previous record also, in the previous last every 5 years record also, you can see during the election result day, either it is going one side up or either it is going one side down. So based on the scenario, we cannot able to predict it. That day it will go even 1,000 points up also. That day this may go 1,000 points down also, based on the election result, based on the market expectation. Such type of scenarios, this 500 point hedge will going to help. and this 1000-point edge will going to lose much. So that is what one small example. This current scenario, June month first week, those who are taking the contract, please keep cautious on particular this thing. Okay. So this actually is correcting the weekly premium and exit if a spot moves one direction beyond combined premium. The combined premium means that also I'll explain. For example, call premium is 200 rupees. Put premium is 200 rupees or 190, whatever it is. So if it is, we'll take it as an example, 200 rupees, we'll take it as an example. So you have collected the premium of 400 rupees. So now market is around 22,000, 48,200, 200 is the market. So 48,000, if it is going beyond 48,600, means 400 point beyond it is going, then we'll have to exit. We should not keep and see. Some losses will be there. You should have a guts to book the loss. Those who are having the guts to book the loss, they can only successful trader. If they are keeping and watching the loss, then they definitely will going to lose further also. So that is the business practice. So whenever you are seeing the loss within our limit, that you have to exit. That's what I said. Exit if spot moves one direction beyond the combined premium collected. That combined premium collected is 400 point. 400 point means now 48,800 is the Bank Nifty spot. So if it is going 48,600 beyond, then immediately we'll have to exit from the positions. We should not wait anything. If it is again coming back, it's a different story, but we'll have to come out. That's what. And book the profit, same way. Book the profit. If combined premium decayed more than 40%, don't expect 100% decay will happen. If we will not wait for all those 100% decay will happen. So we'll have to, if it is, we should be satisfied also. Some point we should have each and everything, we should have some point of satisfaction. If you're not having the point of satisfaction, then never we will be satisfied. So that is what I'm saying here, the 40% or 50% maximum. So if it is, you are seeing in the screen, book and keep it in your pocket. Don't wait further. Okay. So next entry, 2 days before expiry. That means Bank Nifty expiry is Wednesday, Monday and Thursday. But for this week, little exceptional because Wednesday is a holiday. So expiry will be the Tuesday. Expiry will be Tuesday. Actually, we supposed to take Friday and Monday for this week. But anyway, for normally Monday and Tuesday will be the day. One or 2 days in the year, in the whole year, 1 or 2 days like will come like this. But that is why I put 2 days before expiry. If it is expiry is little earlier, means we have to, based on that you have to adjust it. Okay, then that exit during expiry day means Wednesday morning means now we'll have to, this week we'll have to exit on Tuesday morning 9:25 to 9:30. First 15 minutes there will be a first 15 minutes there will be a price oscillation here and there. There is a high price oscillation will be there. Almost 9:25 9:30 price will get settled. That time we'll have to come out with from this strategy, whether it is profit or loss. There is no worry. You will have to come out. I am telling you, more than 70-80%, 70 to 80% time you will be in profit only. 20 to 30% time you will be loss also. You should be ready to book the loss even if it is loss during 9:30 in the morning. So if you are not booking that loss, that may go at any extent. So that is why we will not suggest all those things. You just book the loss if it is based on the strategy. And anyone is having some backtesting platform, so like Stockmark or something like that. So you can also test the backtesting. But the only problem is here, backtesting. Here all the expiry date and all now it has changed. Earlier expiry Bank Nifty was Thursday, then which we now this expiry got changed to Wednesday. That is why this backtesting, when we are doing the backtesting, then you have to put the backtesting out the 2 days before expiry. That type of condition you have to put for the backtesting. You should not put backtesting for Monday and Tuesday. So you can test backtesting, how it is the probability of this thing. I am telling you, more than 65 to 70% you will get the probability in the backtesting result also. So next we can go. This is the thing. Actually, here how we have to do the entry. Entry here 6 times we'll have to do the entry. This is the auto adjustment strategy. So one adjustment one adjustment I said. One adjustment what I said adjustment one exit strategy I said. If it is combined premium is more than collected premium as a 400 point means then you'll have to exit. That is one point. Here how you are entering you see here. Monday you are entering morning 9:25 to 9:30. Within that range you have to enter one lot. Same Monday afternoon 12:25 to 12:30 one lot you have to enter. Then same Monday 3:15 to 3:20 you have to enter. Then again Tuesday you have to enter one lot. This every time whenever you are entering that time whatever ATM is there based on the ATM you have to take it. So sometimes ATM may 48,200, sometimes 48,300, sometimes 48,100, sometimes 48,500, sometimes 48,800. So all the set of things you have to take it. So that this is automatically get adjusted in the auto adjustment mode. It will go in the auto adjustment mode. Manually there is no need to do the adjustment because something will give the loss, something will the profit. End of the things will be in the profit only. That is what the auto adjustment. And why we have taken chosen this all those time means morning. This is the our market opening time. Opening after settling of our market means Indian market. Then we are doing all those things means one set we are taking. Then there is a movement during the European market. So European market will open by 12:30. That is the European market timing. That time also whatever based on that movement we are taking one set. Again our market and Fin Nifty and all first session sorry Gift Nifty and our market everything is closing time. This is the closing time. That also we are taking one set. So this three times whatever market movements are there. These are all the times we are expecting the market movements here and there. Based on that, we are taking the ATM call and put. We are taking that. So this actually 6 set. Normally we have to take it as 6 set. If you are taking one set, then we cannot able to make proper profit. We cannot able to make it. If you are entering this strategy, you have to enter 6 set. For 6 set, what is the capital required? You can see here. Fund required per lot here. Now it is a quantity is 15. Actually, Bank Nifty become 15 now. So fund required, even though after hedging, it's around 35 to 40K is required. If you are doing the hedging, 1000 point hedging, maybe 40K you may be required. If you are putting the 500 point hedging, you may require 35,000 rupees you may be required. For 6 lot, you require minimum 2.4 lakh is required. 2.4 lakh, if you are not having 2.4 lakh in your account, then you should not enter in this strategy. If you are taking this strategy, you should enter all 6 times you have to enter. And you can put some this also means nowadays algo strategy, algo and all it is coming. Based on the timing, you can put it in the algo also. The algo will automatically execute your trade. Then that also it is possible now. Then you can check up here. And the expected profit here also, I am just saying that 2 to 4%. Actually, sometimes you can get even 5 to 6% also you can get it. But I am saying you, I am not giving any exaggerated figure here. I am just giving you 2 to 4% only. If you are satisfied with the 2 to 4%, that too 2%. 2% if you are getting in the weekly, that's I'm telling you, it's a great, very great. No one in the world will going to give the 2% in the week. So that is what this strategy. And the expected loss also here also I'm telling you the expected loss per lot 2 to 2.2K. So and the world is if it is world is roaming north to south also, that your loss will be only 2K only. So there it may go. That is why I'm telling you, by putting this strategy, such type of strategy, you can sleep very well. So profit also will get a very minimum profit only. So like not like the YouTubers will say, I have made a 50K like that. They said, nah, that type of things you will not expect here. Yes, tell me.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Sir, actually, last 2,000 per lot or?
This is whatever we are talking is per lot we are talking here. Per lot means
Even profit also per lot.
Profit also percentage wise we are telling that also. Hello. Yeah. Sorry. Not. No, here this profit also I am saying per lot only, and the loss also I am saying per lot only. So even actually this loss, based on the 500 point hedging, I am saying here, even you want to reduce this lot, then you hedge, you have to further, you have to come to closer, you have to do the hedging. Then you can come down the loss in the further come down also. It can means out of 40K you are losing 2K, and this 2K also I am telling you worst scenario. This is actually the worst scenario I am saying you. This is the thing, and this worst scenario will come total 52 weeks, and out of 52 weeks you will face such a type of scenario. You will face around 5 to 6 weeks. You will face it. It's not like that you will not face it. You will face it. Was anything we will same thing only. Nifty also same type of strategy only. Nifty also will see. So any doubt? Let us go for Nifty.
Yeah.
This is also same type of strategy. Afterwards, we will go to the Jiroda site. We will go there. So this is also same type of strategy I am playing only in the for the Nifty. Nifty will have to do the ATM C and P selling, and Hedge will have to do it 500 point and there we did 1000 point 500 point. Here Hedge will have to do it the 500 point and 250 point will have to do the hedging based on the our risk rate. Other things are same only. Entry before expiry 2 days before. That means Tuesday and Wednesday. Now Nifty expiry is Thursday. So Tuesday and Wednesday we'll have to enter, and the exit you have to do it 9:25, 9:30 in the expiry day. That is what the thing. And here you can see here there's timing, same timing only. Only Tuesday, the day only it is changing. Tuesday and Wednesday only day only it is changing. Okay. So next here you can see here the minimum 6 lot. Here margin required is 25 to 30K because now Nifty lot become 25 instead of 50. Its lot become 25. So now 25 to 30K only it is required. So total for 6 lot you require 1.8 lakhs is required. So by calculating all those things, anyway here one thing is there because when we are entering into the Wednesday you will come out from the total bank Nifty, because of the bank Nifty amount also, that capital also you can use in the Nifty in the Wednesday onwards. Wednesday, because Thursday, Tuesday only bank Nifty position will also be there and Nifty position will also be there. Tuesday only you are using maximum your capital. Otherwise, Wednesday you will going to use only your capital you will going to use in the Nifty only. Monday you will going to use your capital in the only in the bank Nifty only. So accordingly you can adjust the things, and by adopting all those three strategy, means this 6 set and bank Nifty 6 set, and plus your first monthly means next month strategy 2 set. So for that one has to keep in their account a minimum 5 lakh. That minimum 5 lakh is required. With 5 lakh, so they can use all those strategy continuously, and they can based on this thing monthly you can get it. They can get it means around 4 to 5% or 6%, whatever it is. They can get it means 5 lakhs. Out of 5 lakhs, they can able to earn 25,000 rupees easily with properly following the strategy rules, everything. If they are putting 10 lakh, they can earn around 50,000 rupees by following all those things, all those proper rules, set everything. Some weeks you may get lesser also. Some month you may get lesser also. Some month you may get higher also. So that depends upon the your this thing. But strictly every week, every month, strictly these rules has to be followed. This strategy has to be deployed, and entry exit rules has to be followed. Definitely you will get some this thing, and small amount you can put it. Initially I am not telling you put 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. You put small amount, you check. If you are satisfied, or if you don't put the amount, you test with your paper trade, or somewhere else you want to put it wherever that is paper trade. For paper trade, many sites are there. In that you strictly you put your strategy, then automatically you will come to know within 3 months or 6 months you will come to know whether you are in profit or loss. You will come to know. That is what the strategy. Now this is the final. This is the final thing, final slide. So now we'll go to the Giroda chart.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
This strategy very good, sir.
Okay.
Looking very good. Sir, one doubt is whether open interest we have to see or not at all required.
बस ओपन इंटरेस्ट क्यों देखता है बताओ पहले ओपन इंटरेस्ट किसके लिए देख रहा है बोलो you are which you are calling from which place you are from which place
Hyderabad.
Okay anyway open interest what for you are seeing you tell me you just explain me then I will tell you
Only to see where the sellers are there, put side by this call side, where the maximum buyers are sellers are there, so that we take the position, or if a drastic movement is there, something we can understand. If it is the strikes are very far away, maybe the movement we can able to assume that it may move it may move higher, or if it is closer, then our probability of this trade working out will be fine.
Correct.
But yeah, only to
correct,
have
correct.
Yeah.
And you are also you understood very properly correct open interest we are seeing for that only okay based on the where call position where it is high position is there put position where high position is there based on that we can take the strangle actually when we are doing the strangle that will help more. And this also when now here this strategy is ATM means we are doing only at the money only we are going to take it and at the money also we are means taking in the different time whenever at the money is there that time we are taking. So whenever at the money going means that time automatically open interest whenever it is higher that time only that ATM will move. Understood na?
Yeah, understood.
We are taking only ATM only na. For really, if you are taking one time question, for example, when we are the first strategy, what I said now that next month contract 1,000 point away and below, and in that you can definitely you can see the open interest also. If open interest, for example, 1,000 point away one such contract 23,400 instead of that 23,500 open interest more means you can 50 or 100 point you can above also you can go for that is strangle but straddle it is not because we are going ATM only we are not seeing anything we are not taking the position based on the open interest we are taking the position based on the current market.
Okay.
Correct na? Now you can see the Jirada.
Yeah.
Now same thing I just plotted there also. First we will see the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty 1,000 points away. 1,000 points away. If you see here, 35,000, 36,000 is required for 1,000 point away. This margin, final margin. So if you see the profit, this is showing profit of 7,000 rupees and loss also 7,000 rupees is showing based on the 1,000 points away strike. But whereas here we will not going to take only one lot here. We will going to take multiple lots. Means sometimes it may go in the for example, I'll take the example also. So instead of that 48 200, I will take 48 300. now I have taken 2 positions. One we will take one more position also. Same way, 48, 100 also will take it. So here 6 position we have taken. For 6 position, the one day we require around 1,07,000 rupees you required for the 6 positions. So one day means 3 times we are taking. Around 9:30 we are one taking, 12:30 one taking. We are taking one thing in the 3:30. Actually, three strikes we have taken. And one more thing I am telling you. So you can take based on the time also. Means based on the time, based on the this is only example only I have taken. Means three strikes I have taken. The example only I have taken. So 9:30 some ATM will be there. 12:30 some ATM will be there. 3:30 some ATM will be there. Based on that, based on the time, particular time, we can take it. For example, you forget that you forgot to take that trade. So what you can do it in the end of the 3:20 or 3:15 end of the day, you can check the ATM during 9:15. For example, 9:15, whatever ATM is there, based on that, 3:30 you take the one trade for the particular ATM. Same way, now what you have taken like that, and 12:30, what was the ATM, you check it. And the same 12:30 ATM ka jo same hai, the same type ka one strike you sell it in the 3:30. And obviously 3:30, whatever ATM is there, that you know, then accordingly, 3:30 also you take it. If you forgot to take the trade, and you can one stroke you can take 3 positions also, but based on the particular time ATM whatever it was there, that ATM you have to take it, not the current ATM of 6 position. You should not take in the current position of current ATM of 3:20. So tomorrow next day market may go either way. That is why this 3:30 will going to help you. So that's what I am telling you. Here you can see here. Here we have taken the 6 set. Now it is showing 20,000 rupees. So now it's market one side 500 point it is going now. So Monday if it is closing, Monday morning if you want to close means 0.5% going in. Even though you are getting the gain of around 6,000 rupees. Even 1% it is going in. Even though you will going to lose only 700 rupees only, you will going to lose out of this total lot. Same way this side also. Maximum 5%. If 5.5% it is going in, 8,000 rupees you are gaining, and even 1% if it is going in, even though you are getting 2,000 rupees, 1.5% if it is going beyond, that time only you are losing 5,000 rupees. So 1.5 time means what is our this thing here? So ATM both 320 and 360 means 500, 580, around near about 580 point you have collected. And here here also more than 580 point you have collected, around 600 point you have collected. For example, around 600 point you have collected, for example. So that means our ATM was, what was the ATM? 48,200 and 100. So that means 500 point if you beyond means 47, it is either 47, 800. 47, 800. If it is 47, 800, if you are leaving, what I said is whatever collected premium, if it is going beyond that, you should exit. So collected premium level also it is coming. Now that time also you are in profit only. That time also, if this side also, if you see in the other side also, 47 500 points we are adding 48 700. If you see 48 748 is going, that time 2,000 rupees loss is there. That's what I am telling you here. One side it's a profit there, you exited. Okay. When if it is going other side 500 point plus 500 or 560 point plus में जा रहा है, that time 2,000 rupees loss it is showing. So that time you should not keep it as it is. You should definitely come out. We should not come out. We should not wait with further. We should not wait. It will come down like that. You should not wait. What we can do it if it is you can come out that, and we can once again we can take the position of the current ATM. That one option it is there. But whereas when we are seeing such type of things in the expiry day morning, then there is no need to take further position. Then you have to book the loss. That is what the thing here. Same way, this is the thing 1000 point away I am saying here. Here you can see here 500 point away. Same way I put one more this thing also 500 point away. Here one lot I have taken. You can see here with the one lot you can see here. 500 point away. So loss, the maximum loss, worst case maximum loss जो है one lot 2000 rupees. If it is a 6 lot also, then accordingly it will be there. Accordingly, maybe 6,000 rupees it will be there. If it is a 6 lot, it will be 6,000 rupees there, and the profit also around 15,000 rupees will be there. So this is what the thing actually. This auto adjustment strategy, and different time we are taking it based on the different time, different scenario. So the maximum time, 70 to 80% time, you will be in profit, and 20-30% time you will be in loss also. That loss you should ready to bear. That is what our concept. The same way I put in the Nifty also. Nifty 500 point away first we will see. 500 point away. It is showing around 6,000 rupees loss. It is showing 500 point. If you are putting 500 point away, it is showing 6,000 rupees loss. Same way here. So anyway, that point that 600 rupees loss is showing, but we will be exiting. For example, 187 plus 83. What it is near about 250, 260 it is there. If it is 260 point plus 200, but 260 means 650, 620, 640. So we will be going to exit away within 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees. We are going to exit. Now, as per our rule, if it is going beyond the collected premium, we will have to exit. So when it is going beyond the collected premium, we should come out. That we are not waiting for 6,000 rupees loss. We are just booking the loss of around 1,000 rupees. We are going to book the loss. So that type of things we should means ready to bear. Means if it is going loss, then we'll have to ready to book. Same way here 250, 300 point is coming down also. We'll see here how it is going. 150, it's 150 or 120, 160 in this range. Even it is there is no profit, no loss. Around 1 rupees profit should be showing. Around no profit, no loss here. If it is going even 250 point below, no profit, no loss it is showing. Then we can come out. Then we can once again we can enter this strategy. Okay. So the same way 500 point away we will see. It's a 250 point away. This is 250 point away. Here you can see here only 1,800 rupees loss. 250 point away. And the same way here, if it is going beyond that, then if we are coming beyond that also, then the worst case the same 1,000 rupees only it is going. If it is going beyond this area, 500, 600 rupees it is going on. Plus 200, 230 rupees it is going. Even we are not waiting for 1,800 rupees. If it is as per our rules, we are maintaining as per our rules. Even we are not losing 1,800 rupees. Less than that only we are losing. Once again we can book it. Once again we can enter into the next ATM. 300 point, 200, 250 point already moved. Then we are losing only small loss. Then 250 point away we can take one more ATM. Then with that we can able to gain. Instead of waiting for the same ATM, the same position, we can gain from that other position. That is what it is showing. So this is the thing I want to convey today for everyone. So I think hope all you have enjoyed. But I think now participant also slowly they have reduced. Means earlier around 22 people was there. Now 12 people only left now. So 12 people only available now. So you can give your feedback. Was now whoever want to give the feedback, kindly give the feedback. Any questions also you can ask. So we can without any if any doubt is there, we will inform. We will discuss it. Otherwise, we will close the meeting. Kindly give your feedback, kindly.
Sir, Santosh here, sir. Santosh from Hyderabad.
Santosh ji, bolo.
Sir, I am having one doubt. For example, if we are taking one lot in the morning, sir, 9:30, and we are in the loss as per our premium collected, right? We have to wait till 12:30 or immediately at the time of 10:30 or 11, when we are saving loss, so we have to book the loss and we have to wait for the trade for 12:30.
That you can you actually संतोष जी थोड़ा सा इसमें एक ये है that loss how you are booked, that you will have to see that particular time. For example, the particular time, if it is some spike, normally sometimes sudden spike may come. Because of that, if you have booked the loss, then again, within no time, means within 10-15 minutes, again it will come back. So if it is a spike, means you should not immediately enter. So if it is gradually, if it is gone, then you can enter. For example, morning the Nifty was 22,200. Then another 50 point increase, another 20 point increase, another 30 point increase. Like that, gradually, if it is increasing, then you can book the loss and you can enter immediately also. But whereas suddenly one spike came, 100 point, 200 point jumped, then you also booked the loss. Then immediately there is no need to enter immediately, because that spike will definitely come down. 99% will come down. 1% only that spike will again go up. You can see in the previous this thing also, the sudden spike, whenever it is happening, more than 99% it will come back. So we can wait some time. Then for settling the market, we can wait some time. Then after 10-15 minutes or half an hour, we can take some trade.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I think this is what I am saying is little means useful.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the session, sir.
Yeah, next anyone, please. Mohan sir, you can just give your comments, sir. You can give your feedback, sir. How was the today's session?
Somebody calling me. I am Mohan Das here.
Pardon?
Are you talking to Mr. Mohan Turaga or Mohan Das?
Mohan Das.
Yeah, it's a fantastic session, sir. I think all the strategies must be definitely workable.
Okay,
And
okay.
I really enjoyed this session. He made it very easy for us. In fact.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
So next, anyone? Is it okay? If anyone want to discuss or anyone want to ask any question, let us continue, or else as planned, we will close by 6 o'clock, because I think we thought of closing by 6 o'clock. Another 5 minutes, 4 minutes only it is there.
Only one question.
Tell me.
See, whenever there is a spike happens, should we exit immediately or shall we wait for a few seconds and then exit?
That we will wait for a few seconds, because anyway you have a hedge. You are not going to lose much money. You have already hedge. That too, if you are in the 500 point and 250 point hedge, no need to worry. No need to worry, because small amount only you are going to lose. That too, why you will have to worry? That spike, definitely that spike will come down.
Yeah, definitely. I have seen that. So there is no need to exit immediately, right?
Yeah, no need to exit during spike. If it is gradually going, then we can understand. If it is gradually going, we can understand the market will go to further, we will go to hit the high.
Definitely. Yes. Thank you, sir.
This actually the strategy mainly for avoiding the hedge unit, because we are not putting any stop loss here immediately.
Yes.
We are putting stop loss, means left and right stop loss will hit. I am telling you.
Definitely.
Here stop loss we are not putting.
There are victims of that, the stop loss.
Yeah. Left and right will go ahead to the stop loss. That is why we are putting the hedge here. So hedge also for our predetermination, this much only I will going to lose. So beyond that, I will not going to lose.
Correct. The loss is defined.
Yes, loss is defined. Defined. That is why I know today I will how much I will going to lose.
Correct. All right. So you mean to say at least 70% the probability of success?
100%, sir. 70% definitely you will get to the end of the year. But every month you have to follow. It definitely success rate will be more than 65 to 70%.
Fantastic. That's enough, sir. Fantastic.
But whenever you are booking the loss, that time you should not get feel bad. Let it be, no problem.
Part of the story.
Yes, part of our business. That we have to think like part of our business.
Yeah, it was.
So anyone, let us.
Good evening, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, actually நீங்க அந்த நிஃப்டியோட மந்த்லி எக்ஸ்பைரி பத்தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போட்டீங்க இல்லையா?
சொல்லுங்க.
அதாவது அதே ரேஞ்சில இருந்துச்சுன்னா 2000 லாஸ் வரும். அதர்வைஸ் ஏதோ ஒரு பக்கம் போச்சுன்னா பெரிய கெயின் கிடைக்கும்ன்ற மாதிரி. இப்ப அந்த ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜில வந்துட்டு நமக்கு ஆக்சுவலா பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃபின் நிஃப்டியோ மிட் கேப்போ வந்து நல்ல ஃபிளக்சுவேஷன் இருக்கும். ஈவன் பர் டேலியே ஒரு 200 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் மூவ் ஆகும், அபவ் 200 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் கூட. அதுலலாம் அப்ளை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம் இல்லையா?
அதுல அப்ளை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். நீங்க வந்துட்டு ஒரு லாட்ல வந்து ஒரு ட்ரையல் பேசிஸ்ல பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். எதனால வந்து நான் அதை வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லலை அப்படின்னா, நானும் பண்ணி பார்க்கறேன். நீங்க சொன்னது கரெக்ட் தான். நானும் அந்த ஃபின் நிஃப்டி இதுலயும் அந்த மிட் கேப் நிஃப்டி அதுலலாம் வந்து இது வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஒரு ஸ்மால் 1 லாட் 2 லாட் அந்த மாதிரி வச்சு நான் பண்ணி பார்க்கறேன். ஸோ அதுல என்ன இஷ்யூ ஆகுதுன்னா வந்து சில சமயத்துல வந்துட்டு இந்த ஸ்வைக்லாம் சொல்றோம்ல, அது ஓவரா ஜம்பிங் இருக்கு. ரெண்டாவது வந்து சில சமயத்துல வந்து இதுல வந்துட்டு மிட் கேப் நிஃப்டில வந்து லிக்விடிட்டி இஷ்யூவும் கொஞ்சம் இஷ்யூ இருக்குது. அதாவது நம்ம வந்து இதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு மார்க்கெட் பிரைஸ் தான் போடணும். மார்க்கெட் அதாவது நம்ம வந்து ஏடிஎம்லாம் வந்து செல் பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னா டக்குன்னு ஏடிஎம் ரெண்டையும் போட்டு மார்க்கெட்ல தான் செல் பண்ண முடியும். நம்ம வந்து அதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு ரேட் போட்டு செல் பண்ண முடியாது. ரேட் போட்டு அதாவது ஃபின் நிஃப்டி ஓகே, ஃபின் நிஃப்டி இப்போ வந்து மார்க்கெட்ல செல் பண்ண முடியுது, கொஞ்சம் லிக்விடிட்டி வருது. பட் மிட் கேப் நிஃப்டில வந்து மார்க்கெட்ல வந்து எல்லா நாளும் செல் பண்ண முடியல. மார்க்கெட்ல வந்து செல் பண்றது அப்படின்னா வந்து ஒன்லி அந்த என்னைக்கு எக்ஸ்பைரி டே இருக்கோ அன்னைக்கு மட்டும்தான் வந்து மார்க்கெட்ல வந்து மிட் கேப் நிஃப்டி வந்து செல் பண்ண முடியுது. அதர்வைஸ் மிட் கேப் நிஃப்டி வந்து போக மாட்டேங்குது. அன்னைக்கு வந்து மார்க்கெட்ல வந்து போக மாட்டேங்குது. ஸோ அதனாலதான் வந்து அதெல்லாம் வந்து நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு சொல்றது இல்லை. நீங்க வந்து தனியா உங்களுக்கு ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருந்ததுன்னா, கொஞ்சம் கேபிட்டல் இருந்ததுன்னா வந்துட்டு ஒரு லாட் வந்து உங்க ஒரு ட்ரையல் பேசிஸ்ல பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம் நீங்க.
ஓகே சார், தேங்க்யூ சார்.
எனிதிங் இதுல நீங்க அதாவது ஃபின் நிஃப்டிக்கும் மிட் கேப் நிஃப்டிக்கும் சொன்னீங்க இல்லையா? அந்த ஃபின் நிஃப்டிக்கு வந்து இதே சேம் எடுத்துங்க. அதாவது நிஃப்டிக்கு என்ன நம்ம ஹெட்ஜ் கொடுத்தோமோ அதே ரேஞ்ச் எடுத்துங்க ஃபின் நிஃப்டிக்கு. அதே மாதிரி வந்து மிட் கேப் நிஃப்டிக்கும் வந்து அதை விட கம்மியா எடுத்துங்க. மிட் கேப் நிஃப்டிக்கு அதுல பாதி எடுத்தீங்கன்னா கூட, இன்கேஸ் அப்படி எடுக்கிற மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு ஐடியா இருந்ததுன்னா மிட் கேப் நிஃப்டிக்கு வந்து இப்போ வந்து நம்ம ஹெட்ஜ் சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, 250 பாயிண்ட் சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, மிட் கேப் நிஃப்டிக்கு அதுல பாதி 150 பாயிண்ட் தான் ஹெட்ஜ் இருக்கணும். 125 பாயிண்ட் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும்.
ஓகே சார்.
அது பாத்துங்க. நான் வந்து அதை நான் ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணல. அந்த ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி அந்த 2 இதுக்கும் நான் ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணல. பட் நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க. சும்மா ஒரு ட்ரையல் பேசிஸ்ல 1 or 2 லாட் பண்ணி பாருங்க நீங்க. Anything, sir? We will close the meeting, sir. Okay. Anyway, I think thank you for actually patiently. Thank you for your patience and continuously you watched my this thing. Our today's our session. So we used to continuously we will give some other sessions also in future. So this session I already recorded this session. This session will be uploaded in the YouTube. Definitely we will YouTube. Maybe it will take some time for the uploading for it will take some time. So today or tomorrow we will upload this session into the YouTube. Thank you for watching. Today fantastically we have done this session along with all your support. And one more thing also I want to convey this this Zoom call support that has been given by Mr. Jagannathan sir. So he is a collaborative trader like that. He is maintaining one WhatsApp group and he is a very good trader also. And he is a very senior person. And he supported me and he called me in the morning. He supported me and he gave the support of this also Zoom also. Otherwise, I would have done in some other platform that would not be much this thing. This today we got the support of this Jagannathan sir. Once again, I am thanking to the Jagannathan sir. Thank you for once again. Thank you for all the participants. So we will close this meeting. Thank you.
Thanks, Monica.
Thank you, Muthukumar. Thank you.